this is where the cutout would sit. And if you look inside here, this is the brush you move. See, I can just move it with my fingers. So if you want to change the amount of amperage that it's putting out, you turn on your lights and watch the amp meter to see if it's dipping below 0. Then you will get under here and move it back or forth until it's not discharging. If you're running, you don't run at nighttime, or probably if you're running these modern LED lights, it'll be less draw on them. So if you shut the lights off and see where the amp, you don't want it charging too much, and you can adjust this third brush is what they call it. You just can move it back and forth. There's a little spring in there that gives it tension, and you'd have to, if you have your cover on it, you'd have to take your cover off. So this is an original, and it would be sitting on the car. Let's see, something like that. So you'd have to reach under here to this section to get to that brush with your cutout sitting on top, and the brush is right there in this opening. So that's the normal generator.